Hey Chicano, I'm here to show you how to table set.
Chicano.
First, you should have a tablecloth and table. Should be clean first, the table and the tablecloth. By the way, this is a service plate. It should be a 1 inch distance from the edge of table. And this is a soup bowl or salad para salad plate. And this is a plate, bread plate, and this is a bread knife. And this is a dinner fork, and this is a salad fork. It should be a 1 inch distance from the plate. And they have a there's a water glass. And this is a wine glass or ano pa sa
Red glass.
red wine, and this is a white wine. And dessert spoon, and this is a cake fork. Should be a 1 inch distance from the plate. Is a dinner knife. Should be a 1 inch distance from the plate. And this is a teaspoon and soap spoon. This is a cup and
the saucer.
Yeah. This is a table setting. Niggers, Chicanos.
Negro boy, Brownie,
Negro.
from Brownie boy.
This is a Barney.
This is Brownie.
There's a Barney. That's all. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Narator ko, miss.
Wala ko mo.
There's a napkin. I'll show you how to make a Algon King.
He's the Algon King boy. Shooty patuti. Focus on brown.
Miss, sabi sa'yo ako, miss. I-pull lang sa mo.
Pakas mo eh.
Pull, anak. Anak pa dyan, pull pa dyan mo, miss. Sorry kay miss, nabisaya namin kay nanosblade namin.
Flower.
O sige, flower lang ako yung mga kay waka ba sa Algon King.
Okay, kaligo na.
Give me.
May tama makagraduate na yan nila.
This is covered.
Wait, graduate
Sorry, kan. Balik. Isimot na ako dito. Lalim nga rin.
This is Brownie Sino. Ikaw sunod.
Mark ko na.
Ikaw.
Yung mabaho.
Ano yung
Ako na ni siya, oh. Ako na ni. Nawara.
Gumamela.
Mga siya eh. Flower, miss.
Gumamela.
Miss, isimot na dito, miss. Graduate niya.
Gumamela.
Gumamela. Ano, miss?
Tapos ako.
Diha? Wait, you miss? This is
How I set my table set.
this is how I set my table settings and then that's
Boom!
thank you. Boom!